Hi, so first thing you want to know is that this always has to be 3 levels, never more. Now I'm gonna just start these levels. It's level 1, 2, 3, 4, too many levels. So I'm just gonna go and get rid of one level from top to bottom. UnGroup. Alright, now what do we have? 1 is all open. 2, it's like this. There's a little plus in here, so this has got to be level 3. And some groups are missing. So level 3 is this. Alright. I'll get rid of this level 3 to make everything the same again. Okay, I'll go from here to here on group. Alright. So now let's just achieve level 2 for now. Okay, so we're good with this. But this is no good. Okay, from here to here, group. This is good. Okay, now I just want to make sure there's nothing in the middle of these, so I'll open it up. This is good, good. Oh no, no good. I will ungroup and regroup again. Ungroup, group. See, this just came down a little bit more. This is good, this is good, this is not good. Let's see these. This is good. This is good as well. The last step is to add level 3 where these are going to hide. So we can't do it from here. We're going to have to do it when it's all open. So go down here, and I go all the way from here on top of number 2 all the way to the top. Let's say group. Alright, now let's see. Level 1 is now good. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing for all of these. I will open up and group them when they're open. They're going to be grouped into level 3. And that's it. We're done. So level 3 is all opening up nicely. Level 2 is like that. Level 1 is like that. So remember, they have to be always open all the way so you can regroup them or ungroup them.